Happy birthday, Superhero JJ. We love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Love you.
Blows light on the mountain tonight, and a footprint to receive the kingdom's isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this growing store inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I try. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be a good girl, always have to be. I see, don't feel, don't let them know. Without them glow, let it go, let it go. And the one with the wind and sky, let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and I'm and feeling how can I come back anyway. Happy birthday, Jada. Thank you, Azaria.